Yeah, well, that's the storm surge pushing the water up.
Who ever thought you could surf the canal?
Well, you can. You can today. Surf right up the canal today. They have storm shutters on that house. Hurricane shutters. You see them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at them. They're all steel.
Oh, I did see that. Right.
That's a good idea. But I tell you what, if I had a house like that on the water, that's exactly what I'd have.
Something.
What?
It's all wood on the side there.
Where?
I don't know what he lost, but he lost something.